So dear students, today we are going to discuss about compound microscope. The compound microscope as seen in the figure have two converging lenses. One is objective lens, another one is eyepiece. So objective is having short focal length and short aperture as compared to eyepiece. In the other hand, the eyepiece is having large focal length and large aperture as compared to objective. What the objective do and what the eyepiece will do, we will discuss one by one. So here an object is placed having height h. So after going through this objective lens will produce inverted and real image of a real image of that object. It will produce an intermediate image. The intermediate image will act as an object for the eyepiece. Okay, so the intermediate image that is produced by the object is, it will act as an object for the eyepiece, means it will fed to the eyepiece for the output. So after passing through the eyepiece, we can get the final magnified virtual image. Magnified virtual image from the eyepiece. And theta, here as you can see in this figure, theta is the angle subtended by the final image on the eye. So let us discuss one by one what the things are here in this figure. Here eyepiece, here UE, either V naught, here U naught, here F naught, and this is the first focal length, and this is the height h, and this is the h dash produced by the objective lens, and this is the enlarged image that is produced by the eyepiece. So these are certain things that we have discussed up till now. So in this video, whatever we are going to discuss in further, that is m is equal to m naught me. So there are two type of magnification produced by objective, that is mo, and magnification produced by me. The total magnification is a product of mo and me. So one by one we will derive it. So as we have discussed, theta is the angle subtended by the final image on the eye. So theta is equal to, from this figure, h dash by ue, as you can see, h dash by, here is the ue. Okay, where h dash, height of the first image, height of the first image, and ue is the distance from the eyepiece is the distance from eyepiece. Next we have to calculate theta naught, that will be after processing the data, h by d. So the magnifying power of compound microscope will be magnifying power of compound microscope, that is capital denoted by capital M, and that is equal to theta by theta naught. So whatever magnification produced, that will depend on theta, means it is an angular magnification. means magnification means to increase the visual angle. What? Visual, to increase the visual angle, that is magnification. And h dash by ue into d by h, that will give the product h dash by h into d by ue. So m is equal to h dash by h into d by ue. We have got the result for magnifying power of a compound microscope. So from our initial video or lecture we have learned that h dash by h is equal to linear magnification. Linear magnification produced by objective lens. Objective lens, that is h by h dash by h is equal to mod of m naught, that is the magnification produced by objective lens, that is equal to v naught by u naught, right? So we can rewrite m is equal to, we can rewrite the equation that was written above. Instead of h dash and h, you can write v naught by u naught into d by ue. So next we have derived the magnifying power of a compound microscope. Next we have to calculate the length of what? Microscope. Will be, we can get it from this figure. V naught plus ue, that is the length of the microscope, right? So L is equal to V naught plus ue, and the next what we have to find is the, for relaxed eye, what is the length, and for D also. So first we have to find for relaxed eye, we can write ue is equal to fe. So m at infinity is equal to v naught by u naught into d by fe. So this is the magnification when our eye is relaxed. So length is equal to L into infinity is equal to V naught plus Fe. You can rewrite the length as this formula. But when the magnification is done on the basis the image formed at D, final image at D means minimum distance of distinct vision. D is equal to 25 centimeter for normal eye. So for that we have to calculate by using lens formula. 1 by V minus 1 by U is equal to 1 by F, right? So in this case V is equal to minus D and U is equal to minus UE. These things are already discussed in our previous video, that's why you can rewrite the equation as 1 by minus D plus 1 by UE is equal to 1 by FE, right? So 1 by UE is equal to 1 by D plus 1 by FE, and here from this equation you can write UE is equal to DFE by D plus FE. And what we have done yet, so magnifying power MD, you can rewrite V naught by U naught 1 plus D by FE. So this is the magnification produced by eyepiece. Magnification by eyepiece, that is calculated in our simple magnification, right? So here we are not going to discuss this one, as we have already derived in our previous video. So LD is equal to V naught plus DFE by D plus FE, or you can write also D, same thing, DFE by D plus FE. So we have derived all the equation. With this I am finishing my video lecture on derivation of magnifying power of compound microscope. Thank you.